Hey guys, welcome back. I got another video for you, and this is a strange one. This happened in June of 2023 in Palm Beach County, Florida, when the officer was out on patrol in an unmarked car, and there was a transportation problem with the Mustang behind him. The officer became concerned because of the reckless drive, and he thought it was a threat, and the person was pulled over. So let's go ahead and take a look at this video.
Disclaimer: persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. All information has been supplied by law enforcement agencies and is considered by law to be public domain information. Body-worn camera footage has been edited for length and in accordance with YouTube community guidelines while maintaining a journalistic focus.
Sir, I haven't even did nothing, sir.
You almost crashed into the back of me, and if I didn't move out of the way off to the side of the road...
When you pulled over, when I was turning on that street from Auntie house, I honestly thought that you was coming to, when you turned so close, I thought
there was cars parked on the side of the road. Yeah, I had to swing around them.
I honestly, listen, I don't cause problems. I honestly thought you were trying to...
You cause problems today. Wrong person. If you would have done that to somebody else, they could have just got out of the car and started shooting at you.
Sir, I don't even cause problems, sir. Honestly, like, I swear to God.
I swear to God, I want my friend.
Yeah. Neil Starr.
How fast were you going to catch up to me?
I thought you was my...
How fast were you going to catch up to me?
I thought you was my friend, like, honestly.
Stop talking. How fast were you going to catch up to me?
Like 50.
No. You're going 50 and the dirt's flying up above your car?
Neil Starr, my friend, like, I am a good person. Like, I honestly thought that you was trying to, like...
Unfortunately, you're going to jail today.
Sir,
make better decisions. That's all you have to do.
Sir, I haven't even did nothing, sir.
Well, if you thought it was your friend, yeah, you just said it. You thought
I thought it was my friend. I was like, why would you almost hit the car? Because this is a rental car. My car's on 20th Street right now. I have a BMW. It's on 20th Street right now. And I thought that he was trying to, like, play with me, play games, but I was in the mood because I wasted the stuff on me.
So you think it's okay to come up behind me at 80 miles an hour and nearly crash into the back of me with your tires screeching?
No, officer, I swear to God.
Enough for me to get out of my car and point my gun at you?
That's what freaked me out. Honestly, officer, I don't cause problems.
Because if it was somebody else, okay, that was driving down the street and you pulled up on, like, you know exactly what would happen. You know exactly what would happen.
Everybody around here, like, they know. Like,
no,
now you're going to learn.
That's exactly what would happen.
Yeah, I understand.
You're lucky that this was a police officer that didn't get out of the car and start shooting at you, because what if they didn't know who was pulling up on them acting like that? You know what I'm saying? That's how bad shit happens. What if this wasn't a cop and it was someone that didn't know you, and it wasn't a friend, and it was a bad dude, and they think you playing some games? You're gonna find out.
You said you're in a rental car. You said it's your car, so don't.
Yeah,
they
but
wouldn't know who you are.
No. I had it for a week because I just got my car from BMW.
Yeah,
I just got it fixed.
All your friends wouldn't know that.
You go to my auntie house and tell them to come up here and get my car?
They're not. No one's taking this car. It's a rental. It's getting towed, I'm sure.
What's your name is? I'm a trans, but I don't even cause problems.
What's up?
Can you go to my auntie?
No one's taking the car.
But come get my purse. Can somebody get my purse?
Hold on. You're not calling the shots right now.
No,
so
I'm
before
asking.
you start flagging people down, why don't we handle this accordingly? Okay, everything inside that car. Now, if you ask me nicely, hey, I have things in that car that I would like to go home, I would have no issues calling your family.
Okay.
But you're going to have him go get him and her.
No.
You're not calling the shots right now, okay?
Yeah, I understand.
So it goes two ways.
I understand.
Okay, so sit tight. We will let you know what's going to happen with the car and your belongings. We're not going to leave your valuables in the car, so forth and so on, okay? But I don't need you hollering at people, getting people over here. Just chill. Okay?
I'm sorry. I totally understand. It's no problem.
We'll let you know. All right, can you come back in 20 minutes? Okay?
I just got off the road, too. That's why all my stuff is right there in the front.
Is there a rental agreement in here?
It's on my phone. They do it's with Enterprise. You know, I had my car at BMW, and then when
no one's taking this car. It's a rental, so it's gonna get towed. All right, appreciate it though.
I'm so sorry, y'all.
I thought you were pulling up. I
was asking, like, what is going on? Because the people you like to listen. No, I was like, what is going on? The people back there, they was like, oh my God, how you pulled? Yeah. It's like you pulled on the side of me.
Did you go back over there?
What happened? No,
Did you go over there and look? There's cars parked on the side of the road right there for me to turn.
Yeah, on the right hand side.
Yes, ma'am. So I had to turn.
I didn't know how close you was. I stopped. You can watch your camera on your car. I even stopped my car.
Justify your actions.
Oh no, I understand.
You know what I'm saying?
I was. Honestly, I thought somebody was playing with me. That's why I said, who is it? Honestly.
You were going the opposite direction. You could have just kept going like I kept going.
Yeah, but I
kept driving. I was going 30 miles an hour. I was just chilling.
I thought somebody was playing with me, honestly. That's all. Sir.
That's not a way to play, though.
It's no problem.
Especially pulling up on me like that.
But I'm a trans, so they play with me like that. They be thinking like it's funny, but it's not.
Well, I don't know who you are, so.
No, I'm just saying like the people around here do.
Well, your friends shouldn't play with you like that either, because that's how bad shit happens.
Yes, I understand. Totally understand. Totally understand. Oh my God, and I just came back home and this is,
Have you been arrested in Palm Beach County?
No, I don't get in trouble.
No, never been arrested?
Yeah, but years ago, but I don't get in trouble.
License valid?
Everything valid. I don't even, honestly, I don't smoke weed no more. I don't do shit no more. I'm going to surgery on the 22nd of July for my BBL. That's why I'm like, you can search the car. I'm not a bad person. Yeah.
Yeah?
I swear you, I'm not a bad person. Like, I don't even.
Listen, we didn't say that.
Honestly, I be
we
going
didn't say
through
you're a
with
bad
people,
person.
and I thought when he turned around, honestly, how close he was to me, I just followed him back to see who he was, because I thought it was my ex-boyfriend, honestly. That's why I got to rent a car, and my car is on 20th Street right now. You can go run my tag, my car is right now 1030 20th Street.
You had to get a rental car because your ex?
Yes, because he fucking flattened my tires, and I had to go take it to the BMW, get it fixed. It's too much. And when I got it fixed,
you got a lot going on.
Yeah, that's why I said, what? I pulled out my phone because I was recording the tag, and I was going to call the police on him, and it was the fucking police itself. That's not funny, but that's fucked up.
I know that he doesn't think you're a bad person. Does
But
he think you made a mistake?
Valid, everything.
Probably.
Yeah, I did make a mistake, and that's why I'm apologizing when you get out. Like, I made a mistake.
I understand. What's this over here? It's hot as hell.
Yeah, because that's my stuff, bro.
Is your phone in here? Oh, okay. So you're taking the ride. We're being nice by letting them take the stuff out of your car, so that way you don't have to deal with Enterprise. How are you?
891-5971.
Go ahead. Thank you.
I said, Booker, they're taking me to jail for reckless driving. Yeah, instead of even giving me a ticket, like, I don't understand, like, I haven't did nothing in so many years.
Alright, well, listen, let's
just come over here.
Can you please come get her stuff out of the car so that way she doesn't have to worry about getting from the Enterprise company? Thank you.
It's only set me back for nothing. I haven't did nothing. Reckless driving.
You did though. You admitted you fucked up, right? You messed up.
No, I was coming to get the tag number.
Either way.
Yeah.
Either way, whether it was a police officer, a civilian, a bad dude, either way, you could have minded your business, kept driving, called West Palm PD and said, hey, there's a black Charger that was driving crazy, right? They got cameras in the city. They can figure out who it was. If the roles were reversed and a car did that to you, what would you think? You know what I'm saying? You would think it's your ex's ex, you know what I'm saying?
So you think it's so funny.
Do you know what that is?
Oh my God.
You want them to take everything in here that's yours?
Yeah, everything.
Okay. We could probably get you out of the freaking office side of the road in a car so that way no one
It's
sees you.
embarrassing, like, what the fuck did I do?
I'll pat you down. Hold on. Okay. I don't care if you do. Dead ass.
No, nothing.
Okay. Is this tied in? Glued in? Okay.
I would imagine.
We're going to have to take this hat. We're going to have to take your sunnies. I'll put you in the car.
Okay, please.
Hold on. Listen, I know. Oh, shit.
She gotta take all that off.
I'm going to put it all in the car, okay? And I'm going to load up the car. I'm going to unload the car for the family, okay?
Okay.
Come here. Hold on. Come here.
You want them taking everything in the car? Yeah.
Turn. Alright, what's up? no rings on, do you?
No.
Can we,
Oh, reckless driving.
step up to it. Lean forward for me. Come back. It's blocking this. This is not gonna work. What? Sorry, your jackets.
Will you get a bond for this?
Yeah, probably. I would assume. Don't quote me, but yeah, you probably get OR. Get booked in and get released. You're not out. You have no open cases.
No.
You should be fine. You get booked in and let go. All right.
Are you? What's the charges though? Like,
he told you reckless. That's all I know. I haven't gone back up to him.
can you ask him so I can?
Yeah, the only you're probably going for the reckless. I don't know if he's gonna write you tickets for anything else, but the charge's gonna be reckless. Okay. I'm gonna close though because it's hot as hell out here.
This is so petty.
Bracelets on under there, right?
No, not reckless driving. I have license. Like, for real, it's other shit to be done. Like, it really is, but it's all good. That's crazy. Like, it's other things to do. Like, you really just tried because I'm a trainee. That's it, basically. Cause they trust me. For nothing, sir. That's literally for nothing.
Said you can take everything in the car. I'm gonna ask if she wants her phone, so that way when she gets released, she can call you guys.
So why y'all just write a ticket?
Because reckless is an arrestable offense.
So what happened?
I have no idea. I was not here. I am not the arresting officer.
Oh, that was him?
No, not him either.
Oh, they gone?
They're writing all the paperwork up, so.
Oh.
All right. I'm gonna ask about the phone, but she said everything in the car you guys can take. Okay? And if she doesn't want her phone, I'm gonna give it to you guys too, okay? They take phone, purse, everything?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, thank you.
Taking the car? Y'all taking the car?
We have to tow it because it's a rental and she is the renter.
Oh, okay.
All right?
Thank you so much.
These cameras turn on and off. Which one is certain? This one?
Yes, both of them. It's okay. Don't worry, cause it's still tight.
Better?
Yeah, it's still tight as hell.
Better than it was?
Yeah.
Okay.